I am the representative for Mr. and so I really have to go to the capital city of San Martin. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Yuri to be Magsaw. Kung bago pa sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button below. Maayong buntag. Man mo. Layan. Hagoy. Hala, plat na magani. Hi guys. So, good morning everyone. So for today's video, I am distributing this envelope. My name was written on it. And yeah, I am the representative for Mr. and Miss San Martin. So I really have to go to Purok 7, the capital city of San Martin, because a lot of people there, especially Catholic, will gonna support me throughout this journey. And then for those people who want to support me, just PM me in my socials. And then I really love the view. It's so amazing, you know. This is how God really good in making his creation. It's very nice and very refreshing though. Wait, I'm gonna show you the sun, the sunrise with this Tweety bird, with the fog, and with all the basakan. It's so nice. Yeah, and then the people. By the way, this way is going to our school, and this is the way where I used to walk with during my high school days. Yeah, and then as you can observe, it seems like I'm just, like this. Dontol-untol ko no, kay grabe ka daghag bato. Mao nang kumarato ko, ako ni pasimintohon dring dalan na. So, hi guys, please do support my vlog. And then, yeah, wow, napakaganda ng house. After how many long years, after how many years I was not able to go here. Huh? Parang kailan lang. Napakaganda guys, it's still 6 AM in the morning. And then, yeah. So this way is going to our school, the main HS, our beloved's main HS, where stories are still fresh and memories are all good. So look at the fog. That way is going to Barangay Sinanglanan. That's our school. And then that way is going to Purok 6 and Managok, Barangay Managok. And this is where capital of San Martin. Hi guys, it's 7:26 AM in the morning, and then yeah, I'm going home. Secondary level. After distributing the sobre or envelope there in Purok 7, the capital of San Martin, sure lang. So by the way, I'm so thankful and honored that someone just suggested the sobre must be the sobre. Kapag English eh. I have to ano tawagan na oy. kanang I have to surrender at least 30 ka envelope or 30 ka sobre. Hala. Sabi ko flat ang bike. So I have to surrender the 30 sobre sa ilahang chapel president para i-disseminate na lang nila by Silda. And then I'm so grateful for that information since I'm not really, I know the people but I'm not really familiar sa bago kay lahi namang setup kay kanang Proxit dili sa San Martin gikan puno sila sa sentro and then I do not know uga sa mga kuan ito kanang murag nagbalay mga balay ba nagbalhin sa nagbalay. So here's an update. So thank God nahurot akong sobre karon hinaot nga mag-support sila sa kuha sa akong journey sa Mr. and Miss Saint Michael, no? I'll be representing Zone 3 Barangay San Martin this coming 28 or 29 the coronation night as a support also for our parish. Ingat guys, thank you so much. Another update for tomorrow and then later I'll go to church. Bye bye. Bike lang sa takaron.
Basa gikan sa basahon ni Josue. Gitigom ni Josue ang tanang banay sa Israel dito sa Sikim. Gitawag niya ang mga pangulo, ang mga kadagkuan, ang mga maghuhukom ug ang mga opisyal sa Israel.